Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 625 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm trying out the Jules Smith Beauty Power Gloss Duo that I got in the shades Namaste All Day and Serene Queen. And these were part of my October Ipsy Glam Bag Plus box. And I am so excited about these. These are products that are just so my style, products that I'm so drawn to. But so this is a brand that I had never heard of before, and I love when I get to find new brands because of Ipsy. This retails for $32. I was looking up this brand, Jules Smith Beauty, online, and it looked like their website, they had a bunch of different shades of lip glosses. They looked so beautiful. And the lip glosses alone retail for $18. But they are cruelty-free, vegan, gluten-free. It says that this duo is inspired by gemstones. It says agate power, agate? I don't know how to pronounce that. That's supposed to boost creativity, harmony, and protection. And then pink quartz power, which boosts clarity, energy, and enhances meditation. I love both of those, and I'm hoping that these lip glosses bring me those feelings. I really do think, as much backlash as Ipsy's been getting lately, I think that this may have been one of my favorite Ipsy Glam Bag Plus boxes that I've gotten so far, and these products right here are a big reason why. $32 for this lip gloss duo, but the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus box only cost $25, and I got some really great other products with it as well. And so let me just go ahead and start swatching these, but oh, look at the packaging. So cute. These are big lip glosses. So this one here is called Serene Queen, and you get a nice small doe foot applicator, which is probably my preferred applicator for applying lip products. Oh, this has beautiful tint of color, so much shine, and it still has little shimmer in it. It kind of looks like gold shimmer, but very tiny little shimmer particles, but mostly it's that glossiness. So that looks really nice, and it seems like a nice thick formula, which is a little bit more long lasting for a lip gloss. And this shade called Namaste All Day. Oh, so pretty. That's more like a coral, but look at that tint of color. This one seems to have that same gold shimmer in it, very small shimmer. So it just kind of adds that light reflection, but very shiny. Oh, I'm so excited to see how both of these are going to look on my lips. So you know what? I'm just gonna go right ahead and apply this one while I'm holding it, the Namaste All Day. I was also reading that these have nourishing ingredients, like I think it was vitamin A and E, which my dry lips need. Oh my gosh, that is beautiful. That has great color, like definitely a noticeable difference in the shade of my lips. I feel like it's more than a tint, and it's full color, like it looks very even. For the fun of it, I'm just gonna go in with a little bit more. Oh, it's buildable. I love how this looks. And I love how it feels. Definitely feels super comfortable, nourishing, hydrating on my lips. And it's not the least bit sticky, which I kind of thought that it might be a little bit sticky because it is a thicker formula, but no, not sticky at all. Such gorgeous color. I feel like it smoothed out my lips so much. And oh my gosh, that shine. Like, it is so glossy, but still has that shimmer in it, but the shimmer doesn't look sparkly. It more just looks enhancing, like it just adds some extra light reflection. So I wouldn't say this is a sparkly lip gloss. I just feel like it's a very shiny lip gloss, even though if you're looking very closely, it does have some sparkle to it. Oh my gosh, I love this. So easy to apply, throw on, so enhancing to my lips, but all it is just this one quick product to apply. Wow, I'm so happy with this. I don't even want to take it off, but I am very excited to try out the next shade here called Serene Queen. But wow, I love this. So now going in with the shade Serene Queen, which this is a shade that if I was buying this product on my own, I would probably choose this one here just because, oh my gosh, pink. I buy everything pink. Oh, you know what? I forgot to see if these have a scent, but I haven't noticed anything, and even smelling it up close, I get just like the tiniest hint of like just lip gloss smell, but no fragrance. Yeah, no detectable fragrance really, but that is fine by me. Oh, I just can't get over the feel of this. It's such an amazing, smooth texture on my lips. So even though, like I was saying, there is that little shimmer to it, you don't feel any grittiness. It just feels like such a thick layer of gloss. Oh, love it. But so this one definitely has less color to it. It still looks beautiful. It's a very easy to throw on, just natural gloss. But I think that this would also be a gorgeous lip topper. So between these two, if I was going to apply lip gloss on top of a lipstick, I would definitely apply this pinky one, the Serene Queen, just because this one doesn't have as much color to it. But this one here, I don't think that I would even put a lip gloss or a lipstick underneath it because it has enough color, in my opinion, on its own. A lot of times I just wear a gloss without any color, and this is a perfect option for that. Just one of those natural looks. But this is probably going to be my go-to lip topper as well because of how, first off, comfortable and smooth it is, but how gorgeously shiny, smoothing, enhancing it is to the lips. Like, I feel like this plumped up my lips, but it doesn't have that lip plumper to it. I'm not getting like a plumping feeling. But my lips are just so smoothed out. And before I applied this, they were definitely dry. I had lots of, the wrinkles in my lips, but they look so just juicy right now. And that's what I want my lips to look like all the time, which I guess means I need to wear these lip glosses all the time. I'm so glad I got these in my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus box because I definitely have fallen in love with these lip glosses, and they are a bit more pricey than I would want to spend on a lip gloss, because spending $18 on a lip gloss is just kind of hard for me to fathom when I've tried out so many great and expensive lip glosses. But I got a great deal on these. But wow, I am so excited about these. I'm sure you can tell. I've been really excited about the products that I've tried from my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus box so far. So hopefully that streak continues. If you've tried these lip glosses out, I would love to know your thoughts on them in the comments down below. And let me know what shades you got to try out, because there were so many beautiful looking shades on the website. And also, getting these in my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus just makes it so much easier because I didn't have to choose the shades myself, which can be so hard when there are that many gorgeous shades. Thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.